morning guys! Today is Friday. So, naiwan ako kasi nagpunta sila sa market. Bumili sila ng tinapay. Wait, bakit naka-open yung pintuan? Maxi, are you here? Maxi? Oh, mukhang sinama si Maxi. Diyan lang naman sila sa Penny. 'Di ba malapit lang yung Penny. Nilalakad nga namin minsan. Doon sila nagpunta. Tingnan niyo naman guys. So, ganito ba pag yung mga lalaki talaga, no? Kung may laman pa, hindi niya nilagay sa ref. Yung mga pinag-inuman niya, dyan na lang. Ganyan din ba yung mga asawa ninyo? Tatapon ko lang to. Hindi ko sana itatapon tong plastic. Kaso hindi ko mahawakan yung lata. Medyo makulimlim ngayon, guys. Yes, ihihiwalay ko lang po. Lagay ko dito. Kasi for second to. I-check ko lang kung okay na yung machine. Naglagay kasi kami ay sa washing machine. Taba ko, diba? Check ko lang. Oh, 31 minutes. Tingnan nyo yung puso. Maya! Kakain siya. Galing siya sa taas. Hi, Maya! Good afternoon, guys! Say good afternoon.
Good afternoon, guys.
Hey.
Here
Today
it's
is
your
Friday.
host.
Huh?
Here it's your host. I guess like we are in the contest or something.
Pupunta kami Kaufland kasi city pala. Kasi magpapagupit kaming dalawa. Konti lang naman siya. Konti lang din. Yes, we're going to city to do haircut. Yes.
Some air conditioning.
Oh, some air conditioning daw para sa kanya.
I don't know what to see there.
Kasi today is sunny day.
Sunny day and Friday also.
Yes. Really? You said yesterday that today will rain. Will
But
get rain.
it wasn't sure. It says
Yeah,
there
Mama.
might be chances.
Yeah, also Mama thought that today will get rain, but
But change in the morning, change the
yes.
I have to put gas in the car when I return.
Okay.
When I return, gas. Oh, the police station.
So drive safely.
But it's okay, love.
Friday ngayon, guys. So
That day I waited.
yes, maaga siya. Alas 3 pa lang ng hapon, no?
Another week is done.
3:30 na. 3:30 ng hapon. Hey, be careful naman. You always get surprised when
It's turning.
kaya medyo traffic ngayon.
It's big traffic here.
Yes, kasi they go home early at this hour.
At 3 and 4 o'clock, between 3 o'clock, 3 and 6 o'clock, it's traffic here because people getting from work, including me also.
Even in the city.
In the city, in the center, is traffic.
So it's what is that?
Rush hour, love.
Every Friday.
And not on every day is like this because people are getting from work, so it is like this.
It's a government policy that every Friday.
No, it's not.
No.
It depends of people how many cars, but also makes like this because of heavy traffic. See, it's heavy traffic there, so that's why.
So only your town go home at 3 o'clock or no?
No, everywhere in the country. Depends of every schedule. People can work during shifts. They have normal shift like I have 8 hours. Best hours, one program in the morning, and others, second shift, third shift, depends. So Depends the place.
No, but I'm talking.
No, I think there are police somewhere.
Where?
He made some lights on maybe because he entered on the
That one?
no
It's a cargo.
not the car. It was a motorcycle. But I think because of the it's because of the
I get it.
the trucks.
Hello guys, andito na kami. Wait lang. Ayun guys, andito na kami sa Kaufland. So, iniwan namin yung sasakyan ulit doon sa Kaufland. Magpapagupit lang kami. Yes, punta kami sa gupitan doon sa kabila. So, dadaan kami dito.
Watch out, please.
Andito na kami guys.
Yeah, get the side.
Una. Una siwa. We both wearing white. Look at this.
How is that? You okay? You okay?
Kasi may bukol dito guys, oh. Mula nung nung 'di ba? Kailan yun nung maaraw tapos biglang umulan. Tapos ayan. Ata to sipon siguro. Tapos na kami guys. So, do you like our haircut?
Our new haircut.
Da.
We went to barber shop.
Da? You like it? I like it.
I love it. What about you?
I like it so
You
much.
cut also your hair after so
Yeah.
much time. No.
Mabilis lang yung sa akin,
It's
sa kanya yung medyo
regenerating. It's
matagal.
natural. Oh my God, your hair is nice. No, it's
No,
not
it's
dry.
not yet natural. How about you? Do you like your haircut?
Yeah, I love
Ganyan
it.
naman lagi yung haircut niya, guys.
I love your haircut. Also mine.
Da. Thank you so much.
God bless you.
So, punta kami sa city, dun sa center.
Now we go and take a walk.
Da.
Let's walk again.
Okay. Okay, let's go.
Let's go again.
Tawid na kami.
The lady was
Was like, hello guys, punta daw kami sa bagong Chinese store.
wanna see if there is but it's far. It's
Oh.
not the one in the
Hindi sa Hangzhou.
It's a no Hangzhou other one.
Da. Sa bago nga, that's what I
Neither
said. New,
repeat it. Neither the how it's called this one.
sa
Yeah,
bagong
wala.
Chinese is sa bagong bukas.
Huh?
New open.
It's something new I heard from my workmate.
Oh, really?
Da.
Okay. Na lang niya sa kachika niya sa kamarites niya sa workmate niya.
I heard from my workmate, so my I
Okay,
got
let's
it.
go there. Doon kami
To walk, but let's
pupunta.
walk more.
Okay.
We have to walk more.
Let's get faster.
Oh my God,
fast?
so much.
What?
Someone put a lot of perfume.
Kasal dyan sa
Baptizing or marriage,
Oh, yeah.
but much likely it's baptized. But much likely it's the marriage.
Really?
I have to walk a lot till we get to our car. We eat.
Pinan.
It's gonna be a lot to walk. How many restaurant thing is this?
Andito na kami sa center, guys, ngayon. Nag-GPS kami para mahanap yung new Chinese restaurant.
Offer for today, 18% the books. Someone
Huh?
offered me 18%
About what?
discount if I buy a book.
Really? I
Dada.
don't believe that.
No, I received from bank.
Really?
They
From
give me a
bank?
discount of my birthday in
Oh.
June. 18% of books at books. Mini market.
Discount?
Yeah, discount of the.
Okay.
Now let's check this current. Yeah, let's go.
So nakita na namin guys, yon. Nakikita niyo yon yung kulay hot pink na ano. Doon kami tatawid kami sa kabila.
Very close.
Ha? I think we crossed the wrong way.
I want 230. Let's go there.
Well,
The other side only.
almost here na. So tatawid kami, naghanap lang kami ng pedestrian lane.
But it's not here.
I know.
It's on the top, but it's not here. We have to go to the other side. We saw it.
Yes.
We went wrong. Yeah, right. My God.
Pinagpapawisan na ako guys. I think we need to go back.
Can I see the Pietona actually?
Wait lang, I have to see. No, we have to go back. Ha? No, we need to go back. Balik kami dun sa sa daan na pinanggalingan namin kasi walang pedestrian lane dito sa part na to.
I have to return back. Such a waste.
No, it's not a waste. So, kailangan namin bumalik. Kasi, ayun yung pupuntahan namin. Yung nag-iisang pink doon. Yun, tatawid kami. Kaso, walang pedestrian lane. So, balik kami.
100 kilometers. You also know.
Shishene. Timpotong.
Okay?
Timpotong.
Yeah.
I don't understand you.
Ay, nakuro.
I don't know. Something like that. Timpo.
I hope you're not hearing with someone. I'm getting jealous right now.
Dito na guys. Dito kami dapat tumawid kanina. Let's
We have
go!
to do-
Let's go! Takbo tayo, takbo!
Okay, love, let's go there.
Excited siya. Excited siya.
What about you? Not?
Of course, I am also. I'm excited to
It's something nice.
eat.
Malut.
Yes. Pag may balot dito, bili ako. Tapos, papakainin ko to ng balot.
Oh my God.
I challenge you to eat balot. Would you?
Maybe someday, but not today. Because
Ito guys, ito yung bagong found na
we found
Chinese
this guy.
restaurant dito sa Arad. Ito yung makikita ninyo sa labas.
It's Chinese, yes. But they are selling Romanians. Yeah, I think.
Ito na siya guys. China, fast food Chinese.
I know Chinese.
Da.
That's English.
Are they online? Ito yung order nyo guys. What is this again? I don't like. Okay. Ito din yung order ko guys. How much did you pay? Thank you. Really? Ah, this is curry. Curry rice. You want a bit?
Magandang tulog.
How much? 60?
Fine.
Bumili siya ng black tea, guys. Ayun, oh, lasang black tea. You like it? The tea? Bene. Naubos niya, guys.
Wow. We try.
Alis na kami, guys. So, naubos niya. Bumili din siya ng, let me see,
Chinese.
yung black tea. Bumili siya ng black tea
But-
kasi nagustuhan niya yung lasa.
But you can see, let's show the, no? The, like this, no?
Ito, black tea. Sa mga may gusto ng black tea dyan, dito sa sa kabilang, what is the address of this Chinese store?
It's in Bucharest.
Bucharest?
Da, from Bucharest.
No, the Chinese store.
The Chinese store. I thought about the drink you say.
No.
The tea.
Address of
it's
the Chinese
in Arad,
store.
in Arad city of Arad.
Where?
Like, in the
Black 9, Arad.
it's a street here in
Arad,
Very
Jude.
nice.
Jude, Arad, Kalay, Arad 9?
not Ryan name. Kala Victory. Victory.
Dito lang guys matatagpuan sa Kalia Victory, Block 9. Dito sa niya, sa tapat, makikita niyo doon ng fast food Chinese.
Da,
Yun.
let's try all of them, don't we? In the city.
Di ba? Para next time mag-hunting tayo ng restaurant hunting.
Da.
Di ba?
it's
Satisfied.
it's also the last day of
If you are going
May.
to rate the food, how many?
I'll give it 950 of 10.
Okay, pero masarap guys. Masarap siya. Oh, I don't want to rate it. But I will rate it 8. Masarap guys. You,
Da, very
how
very
many?
awesome. 9.
Sabi niya 9. 8 sa
I'm
akin.
950. I like it.
Da.
But the greatest is the other one, 10.
Yes.
First it's. And this one is also better, also nice.
Da.
I like the taste also.
Da.
Oh, I'm so full now.
Pauwi na kami guys. Pabalik na kami doon sa sa Kaufland.
Huh?
Sa Kaufland. Naglalakad lang kasi kami.
There is park the car, da.
Yes.
I have a lot to